In the next episode of Ozark series, Mariam will become the center of storm because secret she tried to protect will no longer only to belong her only. After wedding disaster, she will hide an abandoned house outside city, convinced that both Sihan and Barhan will blame her for everything. Her fear will not come from prison or revenge. It will come from knowledge that the truth about her past could destroy the Danish future and thus expose an old crime committed in a name of Albora family. Aleha will find her before anyone else, not by force but by following a childhood song to Mariam used whenever she was be quiet and survive. Aleha will tell to Mariam that she lost her wedding, nearly lost to Sihan, and watched Sihan died because Mariam allowed to Borhan to turn one secret into Sihan around everyone's neck. Mariam will finally confess that a year earlier she witnessed a document being changed after the death connected to the family. That document altered inheritance, gave him someone control to land now used for illegal transport. Barhan discovered the truth and threatened to accuse Mariam of the forgive unless she helped to separate Aleha and Sihan. Aleha will insist they reveal everything, but Mariam will warn that beneficiary of forget document is not Barhan. It is someone who remained close to Sihan, will pretending to protect him. At the same time, Sihan will follow Sihan's final movement and discover that Sihan visited an old regulatory office before the wedding. There will find a page of drawn from a property legal and clerk who is frightened to speak. When the clerk is attacked, Sihan realized to a conspiracy is still active. Nara will join to dissipate her grief, saying that Sihan died saving his life. She will not stay to buried. Their partnership will be tense because never blame to Sihan from chain of event, but shared grief will slowly turn into determination. Sidakat meanwhile will try to move Barhan from hospital to the mansion, believing family wall can protect him. Kaya will oppose her and openly say that mansion has protected too many crimes already. This will mark the first time Kaya challenges Sadakat's authority in front of everyone. When Alaya bring Mariam back, Sihan will demand completely confusion. Mariam will place the forget document of the table, but before she can name the person who benefited, the light will go and out shout, break the window. No one will be hit because the bullet is not meant by kill. It carry a metal of collapse inside. A photograph of Dennis entering a school taken by the same morning with a warning that child will pay if Mariam speaks. Alia fear will turn into a fairy. Insist of hiding Dennis, she will announce a plan to sudden away under protection while protecting he remain at the mansion. The final twist will remain Dennis overhead everything, believing he is the reason adults keep dying. He quietly leaves through the back gate before plan being. When Aleha entered his room, she finds only his small backpack missing and noticing he is gone.